You have a project open down here. You're ready to share. You come over here and you choose whatever you want. Now, I call these options under Share Project Compressor Lite. I want to talk about a program. It is an additional purchase from the App Store called Compressor. Now, how do we get from here in Final Cut Pro to Compressor? We'll select the project and then come up to the word File and down to Send to Compressor. If you think you got options over in Final Cut Pro, look at all these. You have tons and tons of options, and you can make your own customized literally any way that you want. Now let's say we want to work on this one, so select it over here. We have a view up here, and we can play it if we want to. But you know what? I want to make this into a podcast. I think that would be so cool. I love podcasting. So I come over here, and I think I'm going to go the H.264 route, and I'm going to grab it here and drag it down here. The screen splits at the top. I don't know if you can see this or not. You probably can. This one over here is the original. Looks good. This one doesn't look as good because it's being compressed for podcast. It's showing us what it's going to do, but I'm not done. I want to make this also maybe a MPEG file. So I come over here and choose, say, MPEG 2 here and drag it down here. Now notice when I click on the podcast one, see how it changes? And this one's better. But notice also my options. I've got everything over here. I select one down here, and I come in here and I can make changes to general, video, and audio. Total control. That's why I call Final Cut Pro's options Compressor Lite. They'll only do so much. In my opinion, if you do a lot of output and you are a little bit frustrated over what you have in Final Cut Pro, you want to go out to the App Store and pick up this application. It's got anything you want, any way you want it, any way you want to output it. Now, you can have as many in here as you want. You click Start Batch, you got it. Compressor is an excellent program, and it goes literally hand in glove with Final Cut Pro.